We commenced the ascent at once on the south side by climbing up the cliffs of lava towards a small cluster of spruce trees which stand a short distance from the line of perpetual snow. After several hours' hard toil, we reached this point, and finding a few sticks of dry wood, kindled a fire and made our camp for the night. We here supplied ourselves with water by melting snow. We found the night cold and extremely uncomfortable. Our party did not find much repose, and as the eastern sky commenced to show the approach of day, we left the camp and pursued our way upward. The higher we ascended, the more difficult our progress. Suffice it to say that by constant and persevering effort, we were enabled to reach the highest pinnacle of the mountain soon after meridian. The atmosphere produced a singular effect upon all the party. Each face looked pale and sallow, and all complained of a strange ringing in the ears. It appeared as if there were hundreds of fine-toned bells jingling all around us. Blood started from our nose, and all of us found respiration difficult. With this exception, we all felt well. It would be futile to attempt to give our readers a correct idea of the appearance of the vast extent of country visible from the top of this mountain. The ocean, distant over 100 miles, was plainly seen. The whole coast and cascade ranges of mountains could be plainly traced with the naked eye. The snow-covered peaks of Mountains Hood, Rainier, and two others seemed close by. These form a sort of amphitheater on a large scale, diversified with hills and valleys. The crater has been represented to be on the southwest side of the mountain, which is not the case. We took the bearing from the top with a compass and found it to be on the northeast side. The smoke was continually issuing from its mouth, giving unmistakable evidence that the fire was not extinguished. There is much more snow on the north than on the south side. On the latter, it is bare in spots, while on the former, it is hundreds of feet deep. We examined fissures in the snow several rods across, which extended a great length along the side of the mountain, and on throwing a stone down, heard it strike a long distance from us. After spending sufficient time to see what was to be seen, and building a pyramid of loose stones on the highest spot of level earth and ashes, we commenced our descent and reached our camp at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, tired and worn out in body and boots.